Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 14th of July 2024. I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for Tesla for the upcoming expiry on the 19th. The max OI level went up for CE and stayed the same for PE, which is positive. The quantity is higher for CE, which is negative. The quantity change is higher for PE, which is positive. Short squeeze is higher for CE, which is positive. PCR, it went lower, so that's actually negative. Implied volatility and historical volatility are both up. RSI is down, that's negative. No divergence, that's positive. ADX is up, that's positive. ATR is up, that's negative. Both EMAs are up. VWAP is up. VWAP is up. Pivot points are up, and candlestick is high wave. So I'll actually make this equals to. But the support is now 230, previous weeks was also 230. The resistance is now 245, and the previous weeks is 250. And based on option chain analysis, and the prediction is that Tesla goes up. So thank you for watching, enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.